Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 9. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. There's a serial number NE189538-639. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everyone. Hopefully you can pull something nice. Here we go. There's a patch in this one. So you have Ultimate Signatures for the St. Louis Blues of Yaroslav Halak. And we have an Ultimate Rookies. This goes, even though he's in a Flyers jersey, it goes to the Capitals of Kevin Marshall. It's 145 out of 399. So here, Washington. It's 145 out of 399. You have a nice hit for the Senators. You have autographed Ultimate Rookies of Colin Greening. 140 to 299. It's a nice hit for the Senators. They have a premium swatches hit for the Colorado Avalanche of Matt Duchene. Numbered 11 out of 25. It's a nice hit for the Avalanche. A premium swatches card of Matt Duchene. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.